The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla and I want to say respect to each and every one. Alright, now here's the thing that we're going to talk about right now. Be careful when you're driving or riding, passing an intersection with stop signs. That's what I'm saying to you. You know those 4-way pass or 3-way passes. See me? Whenever persons are trying to drive to either beat the stoplight or even if the stoplight is on the go and you're driving through the stop sign at an intersection because it is just your time to go. You see me? And I'm talking about this because of an incident that had happened on the 18th of November 2019 when a taxi collided in another taxi due to one of the taxi operator had disobeyed the stoplight or the traffic light. You see me? Now this had happened in Kingston, Jamaica and several persons were injured. However, police officers had arrived on the scene where injured persons were taken to the hospital, you see, and there's more detail to this story as well, but I'm going to show you the video right about now so that you can have a look and you can also tell me what you think and it will also give you a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. Alright, now be advised that this video shows of an accident of a 2-car colliding or collision, is what I'm saying to you, so viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, take a look and observe. Alright viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the video that shows of the incident that happened where a taxi collided in another taxi. I just want to say, be careful, be alert when you're on the road, whether you walk or you're driving, if you're at an intersection or not, even if the stoplight is on green for you, be careful at the intersections or not, you know what I mean? Because sometimes persons might break the traffic laws out there or the rules of the road. Sometimes the vehicle might develop mechanical problems. There is many other things that can happen. Alright, so just be careful and be alert out there. Alright, yeah. Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. Yes, it.